Have you ever stopped to wonder how you think a thought? Or, how you can pull your hand away from something hot before you even realize it's burning? Well, the answer is hiding inside this incredible high-speed network in your head, and we're about to see exactly how it all works. So let's start with a number that is just kind of hard to wrap your head around. 86 billion. That's the estimated number of neurons packed inside your brain. Every single one is a tiny messenger in a communication network that's more vast and complex than anything we've ever built on Earth. The easiest way to think about all this is to picture your brain as the most powerful supercomputer in existence. And the neurons? Well, they're the living, biological wires that connect everything and make it all hum. So let's zoom in and take a look at one of those wires. So what exactly is one of these neurons? Let's meet the absolute star of our show today, the fundamental building block of your brain's communication system. At its very core, a neuron is a super specialized cell. It really only has one main job: to send and receive information. It's like a tiny postman and a mailbox all rolled into one, operating at, lightning speed. Okay, so let's break it down into its three main parts. First, you've got the dendrites. Think of these like little antennas, always listening and picking up signals. Then there's the cell body, or soma, which is like the control center that processes it all. And finally, the axon. That's the long electrical wire that zips the message away to the next neuron. So just remember, antenna, control center, wire. All right, so we know what a neuron is, but how does a message actually travel down that wire? It's not just one simple step. It's actually this fascinating little relay race that is both electrical and chemical. The first leg of this relay is all electrical. It's a pulse called an action potential. And it's pretty much what it sounds like: an electrical signal that literally zips down the length of the axon, kind of like a spark shooting down a fuse. It's incredibly fast. But here's the puzzle, right? This is where it gets really clever. Neurons don't physically touch each other. There's this tiny, tiny gap between them. So if the signal is electrical, how on earth does it jump across that empty space to the next wire? The answer is in a place called the synapse. This microscopic little gap is the all-important junction box where the message gets handed off. And honestly, this little gap is what makes our brain's wiring so much more powerful and flexible than a simple computer chip. I love this analogy for what happens. Just imagine one person running to the edge of a small canyon and shouting a message across. The person on the other side hears it, understands it, and then turns around and runs off to repeat the message. That's basically what's happening here. So here's how that shout actually works. First, that electrical signal zips to the very end of the neuron. This triggers the release of these chemical messengers. You've probably heard of them, neurotransmitters. These little chemicals float across the gap, they dock with the next neuron, and that kickstarts a brand new electrical signal. It's this brilliant conversion, electrical to chemical, and right back to electrical again. So we've seen this tiny microscopic journey, but why does this whole complicated process even matter? Well, because it allows you to react to the world around you in just milliseconds. Let's use a classic example to see it in action. We've all done it, or something like it, right? You get that split-second reaction where your hand flies away from something hot before your brain has even consciously registered the pain. Well, that's our neural network doing its job perfectly. So in that tiny fraction of a second, here's the play-by-play. Sensory neurons in your skin basically scream hot. That signal flies up to your brain. Your brain instantly processes it and sends a command rocketing back down through what are called motor neurons. Those neurons tell your muscles to contract, and bam, your hand is pulled to safety. All of that happens in the blink of an eye. So let's just recap that entire relay race one more time. It all starts electrical when the neuron is activated. That electrical signal travels down the axon. Then, to cross the synapse, it cleverly converts to a chemical signal. Once that chemical crosses the gap, it kicks off a new electrical pulse on the other side. This electrical to chemical to electrical pattern is the fundamental language of your brain. So let's end with this one final thought. We just walked through the incredibly complex journey of a single message. Now, try to imagine that same exact process happening across 86 billion neurons, all at once, every single second of every single day. Because that is what's happening inside your head right now, powering every thought, every memory, and every feeling you have. And that is, it's just astonishing.